In this guide, you will learn how to fix eBay app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, check for app updates. Launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app eBay. Once app appears, launch it. If you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, since outdated versions often cause crashes. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings, go to General, click on iPhone storage. Now from the list of apps, find eBay and launch it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again to confirm it. Likewise for the Android device, press and hold on the app, select the option App Info. Now click on Storage, then navigate to the option Clear Cache and confirm it. Next, check the server status of eBay. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Town Detector, search for eBay, check if eBay servers are down. If they are, you'll just need to wait until they are back online. Finally, ensure your device software is up to date. For that, go to Settings, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. And lastly, you can completely delete eBay app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, and click on Delete. Now launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. And that's it. With these, your eBay app should work. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.